Extract a page from a PDF as a Jpeg. In Python code, how to efficiently save a certain page in a PDF as a Jpeg file. Use case, I have a Python Flask web server where PDFs will be uploaded and JPEGs corresponding to each page is stores. This solution is close, but the problem is that it does not convert the entire page to JPEG.
The PDF2 image library can be used. You can install it simply using. Once installed, you can use following code to get images. Saving pages in JPEG format. Edit. The GitHub repo PDF2 image also mentions that it uses Phtop and that it requires other installations. Phtop is the piece of software that does the actual magic. It is distributed as part of a greater package called Poplar. Windows users will have to install Poplar for Windows. Mac users will have to install Poplar for Mac. Linux users will have Phtop pre-installed with the distro, tested on Ubuntu and Arch Linux. If it's not, run sudo apt install Poplar utils. You can install the latest version under Windows using Anaconda by doing. Note, Windows versions up to 0.67 are available at this URL, but note that 0.68 was released in August 2018, so you'll not be getting the latest features or bug fixes.
The Python library PDF2 image, used in the other answer, in fact doesn't do much more than just launching pdttpta with subprocess.popen, so here is a short version doing it directly. Here is the Windows installation link for PDFTPM, contained in a package named Poplar, or this URL.
There is no need to install Poplar on your OS. This will work. Pip install wand.
I found this simple solution, pymop, output to PNG file. Note the library is imported as fits, a historical name for the rendering engine it uses. Note, the library changed from using a comma case to a snake_case. If you run into an error that a function does not exist, have a look under deprecated names. The functions in the example above have been updated accordingly. The fits.document class supports a context manager initialization.